Okay. Ayun na nga. Hihihi. Ayan. So, ito na yung medyo ano. Dito ako na-assign nung exam ko mismo kasi curves. Yan. Yung curves dito yung nakaka-asar. Okay. So, let's check. Where's our working area? Ito daw. These L layers. Okay. And then these curved layers. Okay, so, we don't have to work on this one. Okay. Yung blue lang. Okay. So, saan tayo mag-start, guys? Dito, ito sa building na to. Where do we begin?
Isa madali muna.
Ay, so madali muna. Okay, so we go to the L. Lang, maghanap ako ng mas type ko pag match. Okay, I think this is better. Mas kita yung walls. Okay. Okay, so we start with ito, the highest L. Okay. E-tool ako. And then, X. Okay. Ayan, E-tool and X. Labas natin yung wall. Once again, pansinin niyo yung red dashed line hindi yung purple. Never mind purple. Is it correct? Ayan. Okay. And then, select on that. Select mo yon yung layer na yan to adjust. Shift. Okay. Click shift. Shift click, sorry. And so I guess this is okay. Next, itong layer na to. Okay. I don't want to zoom in. So I will just use H tool. H tool agad. Trace agad ako sa highest layer. And then, aliitin natin. Ayan. Okay, yan. So, I used Alt dun I used Alt here. Okay. Kasi yung Alt, not only will it adjust yung height nung, tawag dito, nung layer, it will also adjust the shape. Okay, so kung papansin nyo, lumiliit or lumalaki yung layer. Okay. Ayan. So, pero pag tumitingin ako sa right side, I'm making sure yung corners, especially yung outer corners ng L, okay, naka-align pa rin siya sa building. Okay? Ayan. So, I didn't have to zoom all the way in para lang mag-draw ng L. Okay? All I had to do was trace on the highest level, tapos gumamit ako ng Alt tool. Okay? I think that's good. So, confirm. Next. Oh, wow. Ito hindi sila confirm. I forgot to check. Okay, ito confirm sila. I will, a little bit. And these are okay. Confirm. So, balik tayo dyan. We have a layer here, pero in this view, hindi siya kita. So, I have to look for another view na mas visible siya. Okay, ayan, here. This is a better view for this layer. Okay, so you can do that. Hindi laging sa image 4.4 ako nagko-confirm, okay? Or nag-adjust para sa when drawing dito sa left panel. Okay, you can always change images dito sa right panel para makita nyo ng maayos kung nagdodraw ba kayo ng tama. Okay? Alright, so once again, I will do the same. I will just trace dito sa highest layer. And then, and so, okay, bumababa siya mag-isa pa. Okay? Yan. So, looks like it's alright. Confirm. Okay siya, confirm. And okay na rin dito. Ano ba? I know, it actually should be lower. Yan. And here, okay na siya. Okay. Alright. And next, we have the lowest layer, lowest L. Saan tayo magmamatch? Hindi kita. Eto, medyo kita siya. So, we go back to 4.4. So, maybe I'll trace here. H. Double dot agad, guys, para Ayan, when you're tracing guys sa double dot agad. Yan. Para wala natitrace siya ng maayos. Okay. I switch to F, hover, space. Okay. Now, zoom out para makita natin dito. I'm using Alt tool. Just making sure yung red dashed line are in the right corners. Oops, medyo mataas siya. Babaan natin. Okay. Next panel or next image. That's good. Mas kita pala yun. Okay, okay na siya here. Confirm, F3. F2 to change. F3 to confirm. F2 to change. Okay, so far this building is okay. Wait, did we miss one? Okay. Alright, so group natin just to be sure. Now, for this part, medyo tricky siya. Kasi ito yung corners na yan. So, bilisan lang natin with this part. And then, okay. Alright, adjust natin siya. And trace. Oops, H. Okay, ito na. H, back to H. D. H. Pwede ka lang S if you like, but I like H. Magkatabi na sila eh. G and H. H and spacebar. Okay? Medyo hindi siya confirmed. So, I'm going to use my Alt tool. Alt. Sorry, hindi ko makita. Alt tool. Make sure the corners, especially yung corner dito. Okay? Yung corner dito yung importante. Just gonna make sure that that corner is correct. Okay, so you adjust na lang manually. And you move on to the next panels. Shift natin silang lahat. Okay, okay na dito. Ayan, confirmed. Now, for this part, pag nagte-trace kayo here, para dito sa lower part, madaling mag-kickback dito because of this corner. Okay, nagkakaroon dito, di ba, ng triangle na payat. Okay? So, what we can do is we can medyo cheat the system. Okay? So, I think dito yung starting height. Okay? Double dot agad. So, I don't have to leave all those dots. And, pagdating nyo dito, don't draw like this. Ganyan. Kasi nagkaka-kickback yan. Lagyan na ng konting angle. Okay, don't draw it as a whole triangle. Lagyan nyo siya ng konting space forward. Hey, yan. And then, you draw here. Okay? Yan. So, I'm just trying to save you guys from like an hour of misery dahil sa kickback na yan. Okay? So, naka-H tayo kanina. We go back to G. H. Okay, spacebar. Ayan. So, dapat hindi full triangle ito. Dapat may konting rectangular space dyan. Okay? Diyan ako umiyak nun kasi asar na ako sa kickback. Yeah. Alright. So, for next, we confirm. Okay, confirm. Wait. Mataas siya konti. Kahit confirmed naman na yan, you can still adjust. Okay? And hindi naman, babaan natin siya konti. Okay. So, kahit I try to touch yung lines dito. Pansinin nyo guys, hindi ko siya ma-adjust. Just like I said, you cannot draw on the right panel. Lagi ang drawings sa left panel. Right panel is only for adjustments. Okay? Check natin anong kailangan. Ito pa daw. Ito. So always check this one, guys. Make sure you are drawing the right spot. You are drawing on the right spot and the right layers. Okay? Tawag dito. Kasi sometimes I saw someone noon drawing ito. Hindi pala kailangan. Hindi niya napansin na hindi na siya nasa green line. Ito. Nag-draw lang siya biglaan. Sorry na lang. Yan yung kanina, yung task just before. Okay? Ayan. So again, H tayo dito. It's kind of hard to tell kung saan yung ano, and I don't want to keep zooming in to draw. So I just diretso dyan. And then G for the curve, and then space. Ayan, kickback. This is what I don't like it. Balikan natin. H, G, gawa tayo ng konting rectangle here. Ay. Spacebar. Yan. Para maiwasan lang yung kickback. Okay, so ang task niya dito, and mukhang hindi siya masyadong tapat. So, we use the Alt tool again. Okay, that's good enough. Adjust na lang natin siya konti. Alright. Next image. Oh, forgot to check mong dati. Okay na. Okay na siya. Okay na siya. Okay. Alright. Next, we draw ito. The last curve. Okay. Dito, ito makickback din ito. Itong part na to. Sometimes dito rin sa dulo. Okay. So, I don't want to start here. Pwede kayo mag-start dito, guys. Mag-trace. Pero medyo malabo kasi kung saan yung height niya talaga. So, I would start here na mag-trace dito sa highest layer. Tapos, drop na lang ng double dot para auto-drop na yung mga dots. Right? Okay. Tapos, lagyan na lang natin ng space forward. Yan. And we do G for the curve. And then H, I think we can stretch na yun. And so, ang taas niya, right? Mapapansin na naman natin kasi nag-trace ako dito sa highest layer. So, we select that layer and gagamitin natin ng Alt tool. Papababain natin siya. Ayan. Okay? Medyo baba pa konti. Other panels. Taas ang konti. Next panel. That's good. Next panel. That's good. Okay. So, that's it for this task, for this exam. Tama ba? Yeah. Okay. We did all the blue parts already. Hindi na natin kailangan gawa nito. Right. Any questions, guys? Ay, dyan pala si Lespex. Hello, Mother Father. Any questions, guys? So, H tool and Alt. Very useful. Okay, pag for example, I will show you what the Alt tool does. Okay. Para makita nyo. Bakit Alt tool? Bakit hindi na lang Shift, adjust? Okay? Ganito kasi yung Alt tool. The Alt tool changes yung inner shape, okay, nung layer na ina-adjust mo. Okay? Hindi niya gagalawin yung outer shape. Okay? So, pag in-Alt tool ko to, ayan, kung pansinin nyo, yung outer part ng L, hindi gumagalaw. Pero yung inner part gumagalaw. Pero kung titignan nyo sa may right side, yung panel sa right side, okay, yung outer, yung gumagalaw. Okay? So, that's what happened dito sa part na to. Itong part na to. When I drew the highest layer, diba? Ay, tong last layer, dito ako nag-trace sa highest part. So, tapos, sinundan ko lang agad ito. Yung curve part. Sinundan ko agad yung shape niya. Okay? Pero pag titignan natin siya dito, hindi siya nakaayos. Tapos pag i-adjust ko siya, hindi rin nakaayos yung curve. Hindi siya sumunod sa tamang curve, right? So yun yung gamit ng Alt tool. Papalitan niya yung shape at papalitan niya yung height nung layer na ginawa mo using with the Alt tool. Okay? So pansinin niyo, ito hindi gagalaw, hindi siya magbabago, pero ito nagbabago. Okay? Alt. Ayan. Nag-iiba yung shape niya, guys. Can you see it? Lumiliit yung crescent or yung curve. Okay? Depende sa pag-adjust ko. Ayan. Dito, nagbago yung height niya. Pero hindi nagbago yung shape niya dito sa labas. Okay? Dito, nagbago yung shape niya overall. Nakita nyo, very visible yung pagkabago ng shape niya. Okay? So, that's the beauty of the Alt tool. Kasi pag hindi pa tayo nag-Alt tool dyan, tapos ginamitan nyo ng Shift lang, or Shift lang, adjust kayo ng adjust, right? Nagma-manual adjust kayo. That's why we have the Alt tool. The Alt tool is the one adjusting for you. Okay? Ayan. So, again, we confirm. Confirm the views. Confirm the view. And we group. Okay? Questions, guys? Ay, okay. Questions? Wait. Tignan natin kung nawala yung kickback pala. Hindi ko pala tinig. Ayan, nawala na yung kickback. Okay, so guys, when you're making these parts, ito ha, lagyan nyo ng konting rectangular shape. Lagyan nyo ng angle. Huwag nyo i-triangle agad. Okay? So at least, iwasan nyo yung pinaghirapan ka doon. Any questions? That's it na. We can submit this one. And yung mga waiting for checkers, okay lang. Just wait for na i-check siya. Okay? Kasi hindi siya priority ngayon ng management to check. Ang priority nila ngayon is basic exam kasi